Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we have yet another wonderful recipe for you. Today we're going to be making sandwich buns. I'm used to making bread many years, but always free-handed making bread. But a few years ago I started looking for recipes how to make different types of bread, and I stumbled upon this one. I made it and I fell in love with these buns. So if you want to learn how to make them today, keep watching. Okay friends, let me go over the ingredients for the bread dough. We have some warm water, some warm milk, egg, sugar, butter. If you prefer to use margarine, you can use margarine. I have sea salt, yeast. We'll be using just a tad bit of ginger powder. I'm using all-purpose flour, and I'm going to be using a whisk. Okay, in my mixing bowl from my KitchenAid mixer, I'm going to add the water first, the egg, and the butter. I'm going to whisk this together till it's combined. At least all the butter kind of mash up. Okay, so I've broken down the butter with the water and the eggs. We're going to start adding the other ingredients. Okay, now I'm going to add half the flour in now. Sugar, the yeast, a tad bit of ginger powder, and I'm going to put it on the mixer now, and you're going to let this combine together first. So now we're going to put this to mix till everything is incorporated, and then we're going to add the rest ingredients. It would work if it plug in. Oh good Lord. Now I'm going to add the salt. Okay, you see now? It formed like a little ball. We're going to add the rest flour and the milk. Lift my bowl back up, and now I'm going to put this to knead for 10 minutes. Oh good Lord. Okay friends, this has been kneading for 10 minutes. You can see it's not sticking anywhere in the bowl. Okay, this done. I have a bowl that I have a little bit of coconut oil in. Now I'm going to make a ball, form a ball, and I'm going to transfer it there for the first rise. Okay, so now I'm going to start to form the dough ball. You form the dough ball anyhow you can form it. Now I have my bowl here that I have some coconut oil in. I'm going to turn the top and then flip it over so that when it rises up, when I put on the plastic wrap, it wouldn't stick to it when you go to take it off. Okay. Now I'm going to top this off with some plastic wrap. I'm going to put a kitchen towel over this, and I'm going to put this in my pantry for 1 hour. Yes friends, an hour has passed. Now we're going to remove the plastic wrap. I'm going to turn this over. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of the air out of the dough. Just a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to start weighing them out. One ball will be 95 grams. All right, let's start balling. Right, friends, an hour has passed. Look at these beauties. I'm gonna put these in the oven for 20 minutes. Oven is preheated on 200 degrees Celsius. The bread has baked 20 minutes. Looking good. All right, we're gonna put these over on a rack so they can cool. The buns are ready. They've cooled down a bit. So now I'm going to cut into one so we can see. They are very soft and nice. Very soft and nice. I love these buns. Great for making any type of sandwich. You can make hamburger buns with them. You can make chicken sandwiches, cheese, egg sandwich, anything. So I'm going to cut into one and show you how nice and soft it is. You see that? Look how the knife just goes through. It's really a nice bread. You see it? The crumb is really nice. Very soft. See? Really nice bread. I hope you can give these a try. You're gonna fall in love with them just the same how I did. I'm going to be bringing a next video after this with these same buns. So if you want to see what will be done with these buns, stay tuned for our next video. All right, friends, thank you very much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye.